Question 4 looks complicated, but it isn't. The complications disappear if you get rid of all these decimals. 1.5 is equal to 3 over 2. So as a power, we're just going to be square rooting, then cubing. So that solves that difficulty. Now 1 over 0.16, well, we can multiply top and bottom by 100. So this is equal to 100 divided by 16. Again, it's not going to look anywhere near as gruesome now we've done that. So using our 2 bits of information, I can say that this is equal to 100 over 16, all raised to the power of 3 over 2. And that is equal to 100 raised to the power 3 over 2, divided by 16, also raised to the power 3 over 2. Dealing with the over 2's first, we've got to take the square root of both of these numbers. The square root of 100 is 10, and that is raised to the power 3 now, divided by the square root of 16 is 4, and that is also raised to the power 3. So this is equal to 1,000, divided by 4 raised to the power 3. 4 times 4 is 16, multiplied by 4, this is 64. And it will cancel down. I can take a factor of 8 out of both of these. 8 into 1,000 goes 125, and 8 into 64 goes 8. And that's your answer.